My first message to the industry is don't panic. There are options. Most of these regulations are focused on residential, and even when it's going to commercial, there are technologies that are available, and they're typically focused on new buildings. For your existing buildings, nobody's going to take your gas equipment away, but what you want to look at and what you want to look for is Energy Star, energy efficient gas equipment in your restaurants. That's the best way to reduce carbon, save energy, and help the planet. Switching from gas to induction can be really beneficial with cooktops. Induction cooktops are very, very effective. They have good control, they're very safe and efficient, and they're easy to clean. The challenge is they're a little bit different to operate than gas, so they do require staff training. If you are interested in induction cooking, my best recommendation is find a demonstration kitchen, bring your food, try it for yourself, understand how it works. There are a lot of great technologies that will support the efficient kitchen of the future, including induction cooking, speed ovens, recirculators, vacuum sealers, blast chillers, and other types of technologies that work in concert along with Energy Star efficient equipment to generate kitchens that produce more food in a smaller footprint with less labor. Ask your utility if they have a rebate program. If they do, that can help offset the cost of investing in efficient equipment. That is the best way to move forward.